Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make mango crisp. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the mango with cinnamon and cornstarch, and then spread it in a pie plate. In a separate bowl, mix flour, oats, nuts, salt, nutmeg, and 1/4 cup cane sugar. Add butter or oil, mixing until crumbly. If needed, add water to help bind. Sprinkle topping over mango and bake for 25 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. For this recipe and more, please visit KTA Superstores.com/recipes.